Alright guys, don't mind the sweat. I've been filming all morning and it's sun's starting to come out. But we wanted to update you guys. I'm not sure where, it's been a couple weeks since we last filmed. I think the last point we left off was I wrecked my truck. Got a new truck down there, which is nice. Feels good to have a vehicle again. But framing is pretty much done. One of the things you might notice though is that we made a mistake, or the framers didn't make a mistake. It was actually a mistake on the drawing that caused that window on the tower. So that bottom window there is supposed to line up with the other two. So that was a mistake made. The windows are showing up, I think, well, it's supposed to be last week. They've been delayed a couple times, but when they come install the windows, they're gonna fix that window to line it up. So what do you think, babe?
Yeah, I mean, it was just a small calculation that was off, but it's crazy how something so small like that can make such a big difference in that. That looks horrible.
Sorry. I was making sure the microphone was on.
Good God. But it's crazy how just like a tiny small calculation can make, you know, a window off and throw off the whole design of the front. So glad we'll be getting that fixed soon. It'll look a lot better when those are all evenly lined up on the front of the house.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can see the roofing has kind of started too at the very top there. And plumbing is underway too, so we'll probably update you guys on like the plumbing and some of the interior stuff that's going on. We are starting to plan out like the kitchen layout and some interior decisions, so I'm sure we'll have a few videos on that, so stay tuned for that. We've been through some stuff, vetting out just interior designers and cabinet companies and our overall mood and brand that we're trying to accomplish with the tower. So I'm sure we'll make a few videos kind of delving into that, but
yeah,
pretty insane that we're tower is up, and in about, today is August 18th, 19th, mid-August, hoping that by the end of the year this thing will be done. So yeah, keep you guys posted. I'll let you announce that news.
Well, I'm trying to think. What was the date? I think it was like August 7th.
Yeah.
Oh, no, because my mom's birthday is August 8th, so it's probably like August 4th. Yeah, early August, we ended up finding out that we're pregnant. So super excited about that. Can't wait to continue this journey with a little babe. But I'm already, like just this weekend, I'm starting to feel a little sick. So it's going to be interesting to see how the rest of this build goes, experiencing morning sickness and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it'll be fun.
This was our baby.
Yeah.
Now we got a real
now
baby.
Now we're going to have a real one.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy. Do you know?
No, not yet. It takes a minute. You think I should go pee on it again? I don't have any pee left.
No, I don't think that's going to work.
We're going to go get another one.
And then, so this says...
Is that crazy?
That's crazy. That is crazy. That's what she's gonna see.
Yeah.
Where's Cluedo?
Hunter's pregnant.
No freaking way.
No way.
Are you shitting me?
I'm so happy.
After telling our family the big news, we went up to Glen Lake to camp and boat with a few of our friends. Even though we've been to this lookout before, the view never gets less breathtaking.
Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer?
Back at the tower, the windows arrived and the building was finally starting to get dried in.
Flown before. You can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down.
Are you pregnant? Are you really? Yes!
Though you're earthbound.
With the entire family now knowing that we were pregnant, we spent the rest of the weekend circled around a bonfire and staring up at the northern Michigan sky. Morning, everybody. Today is October 4th. Leaves up here, northern Michigan, are changing like crazy. You can probably see all the leaves on the driveway. But I actually rented a skid steer for the week. We just have a lot of like logs and everything still cut up in various different places on the land. And so my mission this week is kind of just to do a big cleanup, get all that stuff in one spot so we can split it. And then also just the big logs, we're gonna put them on the easement so we don't have to cut everything up right away, because we still have a ton of logs cut, especially at the ridge location that we need to just kind of get out of the way. We spent the next several days moving countless stumps and logs, but by the end of the weekend we had most of it out of the way and stacked in piles. A few days later we went to go look at flooring and also received a potential siding material for the tower. Designing the interior of the tower was progressing, and the trees reminded us that fall was right around the corner in the glacial hills.